In this video, we will explore how to visualize geospatial data using earthkit-plots, which you can install with pip install earthkit-plots. Earthkit-plots makes visualization fast and intuitive thanks to features like a concise, high-level API, intelligent titles and labels based on metadata, customizable style libraries, and complex grids supported out of the box. It's built on top of Matplotlib and Cartopy, but removes much of the boilerplate code you would normally need to write in order to visualize your datasets, helping you go from data to insight as quickly as possible. The easiest way to get started with earthkit-plots is to load a dataset with earthkit data and pass it to the quick-plots function. This produces a quick visualization of your data with some nice automatic features like smart titles and labels populated from your data's metadata, plus high-quality default styles applied based on the variable plotted. For example, in this case, we have temperature data for which earthkit-plots has a built-in default style. You can also quickly and easily convert the units of your data on the fly by simply passing the name of the units to quick-plot. For example, with temperature, we can plot in Kelvin, Celsius, or Fahrenheit. It's that simple. If you want more control, you can go much deeper into layouts, components, and styles. And the documentation has plenty of examples for creating custom publication quality plots. Another powerful feature of earthkit-plots is support for complex grids like helpix or octahedral grids. Thanks to earthkit regrid working seamlessly in the background, you can pass this kind of data directly to earthkit-plots, and it will handle everything with no manual regridding required on your part. Thank you for watching this brief introductory series on earthkit. Earthkit is still a new and emerging project, but it's already in operational use at ECNWF and is helping to simplify data access and workflows for platforms like the Copernicus data stores. We encourage you to explore the earthkit packages, try them out for your own projects, and contribute on GitHub. Keep watching this series of short introductory videos for a closer look at some of earthkit's key features.